Are you struggling to get out of debt while raising your family, but you have no extra money to give to the bill collectors because it takes every dollar you have just to make it to your next paycheck? Look, we were in the same situation. We had to file bankruptcy, our credit was shot, we lost our home and our vehicles, our utilities were shut off, and we had 2 young children at our feet, and only one of us were working because the cost of daycare was too expensive. After a decade of testing different ways to get out of debt, we realized we were overthinking it. We didn't have any extra money to pay toward our bills. We just had to start saving money on our normal monthly purchases first. We had to start over, and we had to face some hard truths. But this is what changed how we budget our money and how we shop. If you want to learn how to permanently change your mindset in only 6 easy steps that you can start immediately so you can save up to 80% when you shop, and then use that money to get yourself out of debt while teaching your children a life lesson that will stay with them forever, please do yourself a favor and give us a few minutes of your time.